Let's dive into our next flashcard, Sarah. What do you see in this image?
It shows a beach volleyball game. Two players are actively playing. One is jumping up to hit the ball over the net.
Great observation. Considering the action, which phrasal verb could we use to describe the player who's about to hit the ball?
He's going for the ball.
Go for fits perfectly, used to describe attempting or making an effort to get or achieve something. Now, if we talk about the teamwork, what phrasal verb describes how they work together?
They must team up to play well in volleyball.
Yes, team up means to join another person to work together, especially in sports. Notice the player who's preparing for the possible return of the ball after his teammates hit. What phrasal verb would you use for his readiness?
He is backing up his teammate.
Back up is exactly right. It means to support or help someone. If the team loses a point but continues to play enthusiastically, what phrasal verb would describe their resilience?
They bounce back after losing a point.
Bounce back means to recover from a setback or defeat, which is essential in sports. Now think about the end of the game. How would we use a phrasal verb to describe concluding the game and acknowledging the opponents?
They might wind up the game and shake off the stress or disappointment if they lose.
Very well, put wind up means to bring to a conclusion, and shake off means to rid oneself of something, like stress or feelings. These idiomatic phrasal verbs are not only useful in everyday conversation, but also enrich your understanding of English in different contexts. Ready to use these in some sentences of your own for homework?
Definitely, Mr. Davis. I think I can knock out a few good ones tonight.
That's the spirit. Knock out means to complete something efficiently and effectively. I'm looking forward to seeing your work, Sarah. Keep up the good effort.